Hello engineers, this is Swapnishir Sagar and today we are going to talk about introduction to civil engineering, types of civil engineering and function of a civil engineer. So do watch this video till the end and don't forget to subscribe the channel to get more knowledge about it. Thank you. So let's begin. What is civil engineering? I know we all have studied this in our college.
Civil engineering is the profession of designing and executing structural works that serves the general public. मतलब आम आदमी के लिए जितने भी सारे स्ट्रक्चर्स बनाए जाते हैं गवर्नमेंट, म्युनिसिपल कॉरपोरेशन या प्राइवेट कंपनीज द्वारा जितने भी स्ट्रक्चर बनाए जाते हैं उन सभी का डिजाइनिंग एंड एग्जीक्यूशन सिविल इंजीनियरिंग के अंडर आता है. Example of these can be dams. These are used to store water, control flooding, and generate electricity. Bridges for crossing any obstacle underneath and perform an effective communication between the two destinations. Tunnels for transporting road vehicles, trains, subways, underground or even underwater. Canals. These are built to regulate the flow of irrigation water and deliver the correct amount of water to the different branches of the system. Highways, also called the lifeline of any nation. Power plants used to generate power for domestic and industrial purposes.
Sewerage system is a network of pipes for collection and disposal of wastewater. Water tanks are used to store water and can serve for domestic as well as commercial purpose. Also, other infrastructures like buildings, houses, shopping malls, hospitals, etc. also are a part of civil engineering. Now let's talk about history of civil engineering. The first engineering school, called as National School of Bridges and Highways, was opened in 1747 in France, and the first self-proclaimed civil engineer was John Smeaton, the one who constructed the Eddystone Lighthouse in 1771 in England. India's first engineering college, called as Thomson College of Civil Engineering, was established in year 1847, and Sir Mokshagundam Vishweswaraya, known as the father of Indian engineering, was the first Indian civil engineer. India celebrates his birth anniversary 15 September as Engineers Day. Now the civil engineer functions. The function of the civil engineer can be divided into three categories. Those performed before construction, that is, feasibility studies, site investigation, and design. Second, those performed during construction, that is, dealing with clients, consulting engineers, and contractors. And the third is those performed after construction, that is, maintenance and research. Now let's talk about type of civil engineering. First, management and construction engineering. This type of civil engineering includes construction structures and the management of all tasks related to construction engineering. Example materials, manpower, scheduling reports, and site activities, etc. Second, geotechnical engineering. Geotechnical engineering is concerned with exploring the ground properties on which a construction project is to be made. It is the job of the geotechnical engineer to check the soil quality, the quality of the stones, and will the construction be able to hold the project safely. After understanding all these aspects, a geotechnical engineer assesses the feasibility of a project. Third, structural engineering. This type of civil engineering is related to analyzing and designing the structures. In this aspect, a civil engineer has to make measurements and assumptions about the pressures and loads that the structure will have in its lifetime. Also, its future impacts and how it can be safe for long term use. This can be done using hand calculations and softwares like StatPro, ETABS, and many more. Transportation engineering. It includes transportation structures for streets, air transportation, tunnels, overpasses, railways, etc. Water engineering is about structures related to natural water bodies. Nowadays, it is focused on prevention of floods, drought, and understanding the nature of coastal water. Next is environmental engineering. Environmental engineering involves the nature conservation and protection related activities like green engineering, pollution elimination, solid waste treatment, handling hazardous waste materials, protection of densely populated area and natural resources. Highway engineering. The importance of roads, highways, and tunnels is quite evident in our lives. Thus, a dedicated branch of civil engineering is created altogether to specialize in making of these structures. Highway engineering is majorly deals with the construction of roads, highways, and tunnels using basic techniques like planning, designing, constructing, and operating. Coastal engineering. Coastal engineering is concerned with the management and protection of the coastal area from floods, erosion, and other environmental factors. A coastal engineer is expected to apply certain techniques that help in the protection of the area. Earthquake engineering. It involves producing and designing an infrastructure or a project in such a way that it can withstand the hazardous effects of an earthquake. This is a very important aspect of civil engineering. Forensic engineering. This field comprises of the inspection of different types of materials that are used while constructing a physical infrastructure. Last but not least is architecture engineering. Architectural engineering is the application of engineering principles and technology to building design and construction. In their work, they consider essential factors like comfort, sustainability, and safety. Architects consider aesthetic, spatial, and functional design principles when drafting structural designs, while architectural engineers give more attention to engineering principles for planning, designing, and constructing buildings. So, in this video, we have covered introduction to civil engineering, civil engineer functions, and type of civil engineering. In our next video, we will talk more about it in detail. Do write your views and suggestions into the comment section below. If you find this video useful, please like and share with your fellow engineers and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.